Hey guys, this is Maruf and I have come to another video. In this video, I am going to talk about my uncle's home estate and he is nearest to me and I will talk something about it. There are some people also and I will introduce them inshallah. I don't know who are remaining there, but maybe inshallah most people. There are three people I have seen. They are standing, and I will go there, and I'll introduce to you something about different things and very beautiful. And I am going to the homestead, and I know them who are they. Okay, it's very dangerous place, but there is no jungle there. Okay, so good people is very beautiful. This is the homestead of my uncles and very beautiful. And I am going to talk about some people who are my also one of them is class friend and another my young brother. So I'm going to talk to you. So what's your opinion about my video? Hello Rifat, how are you?
I'm fine.
Very good. Hello Simon, how are you?
I'm fine.
He's my classmate when I was a college student. Still, he is a student of a university. What subject do you study?
Management.
Management. Very important and very valuable subject. And he is another person. He is an employee. Yes. Okay. I'll come there. And he is a worker as a mason. And Rifat, are you going to abroad very soon? Maybe. Inshallah, he has completed his visa and he's waiting for his ticket. Inshallah. Okay, thank you so much. I'm very sorry for giving you time from you.
No.
Okay, thank you so much. So this video I'm going to end here, and I don't know what things have you learned. Maybe many things you have learned from this video. So I'll come back another video inshallah. So see you next time. Assalamu alaikum. Goodbye.